I think sadly, like, bad lighting's just become kind of a hallmark of my videos at this point, so. Hello friends, how are you? So, in today's video, I am pumped because I have not picked up my guitar in like a hot second. I have been so crazy busy, so this is so nice to be able to sit down and do this. Yeah. In my last video like this, you guys really loved it, so I decided why not make a second one? Yeah. However, for this one, there's gonna be a little bit of a twist. Basically, I'm going to go onto a random word generator and I am going to pick out 4 words or randomly generate 4 words, and then we're gonna write a song in 15 minutes. Can she do it? Who knows? I don't know. I don't know, man. No, guitar, don't fall. I have my handy dandy laptop. Okay, so first things first, Google. Random word generator. I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna be doing this on. So let's do it. So number of words, we need 4. First letter, don't care. Word size, number, syllables. Oh, sure, whatever. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So first word we have dive. Second word, mud. Third word, dealer. Really? And fourth word, young. Okay. God, I haven't played my guitar in so long. I have my notes ready, I have my timer ready, I have my words I need. Honestly, I'm really scared, I'm not gonna lie. 1, I have not written a song in like a month. 2, I have not used my guitar in like a month. And 3, I'm just scared because I'm just scared. Okay, so 15 minutes on the clock. This is really scary. Ah, what am I doing? Let's find a chord progression, I guess. I feel like I always stick to simple. Should we do some picking? Does it work? Sure. Okay, chord progression, done. Easiest chord progression ever / easiest picking pattern. Way to go, Elisabeth. Dive, mud, dealer, young. I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna think about what do I even want the song to be about? I feel like I always go to love. It's the easy thing to go to. Alternatively, I could make this about a drug dealer because, you know, it just looks right. A drug dealer for your heart. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, dive. Ooh, okay. How about I'm about to take this dive. Why does that sound so awful? I want to take this dive, but my feet, there's mud weighing me down. Sure, mud weighing me down. Dealer, what the heck? But there's mud weighing me down. Dude, I have no idea where this word is gonna fit. This is hard. I don't have any reference to the word dealer other than drugs. Okay, dealer, like cards. How about cards? Card dealer. Better. More PG. I'm the card and you're the dealer. Oh, this is good. It's like you're stuck in someone's grit. Oh, this song makes no sense. I think I'm gonna go back to the G actually. We got time though, cause we're young. So young, but so dumb. Okay, next 4 words. Let's go. Generate. Amuse, shape, suitcase, and attractive. Oh, okay. What are they trying to get me to write a song about? What? Okay, this is the chorus, so. But there's mud on the other side. Dang, yep. I'm the card and you're the dealer. Dealer. So young, but so eager. 8 minutes, oh my gosh. The shape of this love amuses me. The shape. Something about the person being in like this person's hand, because it's like I'm the card and you're the dealer, so like you're in control basically, which is good that we have shape. The shape of your hand. I'm clay, so shape me. I'm I'm your clay, so shape me. I'm your show, amuse me? I don't know. You can shape me. I'm your show, I'm your audience. Audience. The road looks. I'm your clay, you can shape me. I'm your show. I'm in your view, so amuse me. That's better. Pack my suitcase and I'm gone. Pack my suitcase, are so attractive. I'm in your hand. Let's just see, that's really stupid, but anyways. I'm your clay. How did I do it? I don't even know the melody anymore. I'm your clay, you can shape me. I'm your clay, so attractive. This is so hard. Okay, I think this is just gonna be a one verse, one chorus kind of thing. Let's do another one and do like for a bridge. I know I'm cheating, I'm sorry. Card, galaxy, intention, easy. Hey, at least it has card and dealer, right? Card in your deck. Just getting super cheesy with it. Planet in your galaxy. Intention. If you let me, I'm easy. No, can't say that. Let's quickly find some sort of melody. Okay. Please amuse me. You got me. I don't even know what I just did. Okay, time is up. I don't have a lot of words, I just know I kind of failed that. That was awful. That was very, very hard. I also can't breathe a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna play through what I have and I'm gonna make up a bridge on the spot. So technically I won't be cheating because I didn't pre-plan it. You know, I'm not cheating if I'm not pre-planning it, right? I wanna take this dive, but there's mud on the other side. I'm the card and you're the dealer. So young but so eager. I'm your clay. You can shape me. I'm in your view, so amuse me. Pack my suitcase and I'm gone. I'm in your hand. I'm in your hand. I'm in your hand. I'm a card in your deck, a planet in your galaxy. I don't know your intention, would you show me? I'm a card in your deck, a planet in your galaxy. I don't know your intention, but if you show me it will be easy. I'm your clay. You can shape me. I'm in your view, so amuse me. Pack my suitcase and I'm gone. I'm in your hand. I'm in your hand. I'm in your hand. Oh my gosh, my fingers are on fire. Look at this gnarliness. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I wrote a whole song. 90% of that, the melody was made up on the spot. It's fine, whatever. Who needs melody, right? Yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You watched me making a fool out of myself and embarrassing myself in front of the whole entire internet. If you liked the song and you want to hear more of my songs, I don't post that many songs, but if you randomly want to hear more of my songs, you can go to my Instagram. I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. You guys are great. Leave challenges down below if you want. Okay, I'll see ya. Love you guys.